What's up guys? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm starting to do a little bit of work on my Tacoma. It's a 2017 quicksand Tacoma. I've really been, point A to point B, that was really it, and I didn't really care too much. I just wanted something to haul around my bikes. But over time I've seen people with lifted Tacomas and stuff, and I just want to start doing a little bit more to my Tacoma to really personalize it and make it mine. So I'm going to be coming out with a couple short videos just kind of what I've installed and what I will be installing in the future. But the first video is going to be about this light bar. So really quick, getting into it, this is a 32-inch light bar. It was 27 bucks off eBay. So super cheap light bar, especially compared to these rigid light bars and stuff. It's just a whole lot cheaper, and I was not prepared to spend that amount of money. I don't plan on doing a bunch of off-roading, but at the same time, if I do off-roading, it's probably going to be during the day, not the night, but it's always nice to have it just in case. But again, $27 light bar. The mounting was also purchased off eBay. It's a hidden mounting system, so basically it's meant to go behind this little grill that was here before. I didn't know that at the time of purchase. I think it was 40 bucks on eBay. You'll probably see them, and it says hidden. I didn't really think about it, didn't really look into it too much. I just wanted it, so I went ahead and bought it. I like the look of the rough country light bar setup, and theirs extrudes out a little bit. So basically, I just made some brackets. It's just two pieces of metal with two holes in each piece, just to extrude the light bar out. I also cut the grill, so it just looked really bad. So I basically extruded it out. So if you buy the same mounting or the same light bar or whatever, basically the same setup, I just recommend leaving this grill piece that was here before and just having it behind the grill. It's just stealth, it looks better, but I had already cut the grill, and I think the grill brand new was like 80 or 90 bucks, so I wasn't prepared to purchase that. Now, as for the light output, it is a $27 light bar, so you're not going to get the rigid performance, out of a Rigid Industries, light bar. That's stupid expensive, and I didn't personally want to spend that much. If you're really crazy in off-roading, you're probably going to want to go and get the Rigid and other ones like that are super expensive. But for a $27 light bar, I really couldn't be more satisfied. It's very bright. The only thing that I would give it is that the light bar itself just kind of puts out some white and some yellow kind of mixed, just because of it has the spot and the flood together. Now it is weird that it kind of puts out both those colors, but I really like that it's the flood and the spot because it really spreads it out evenly. It doesn't just light up 15 feet in front of you with a flood, or it doesn't just light up, really far away, but doesn't kind of go around. So I really like this. It's really kind of in the middle, and that's really what I wanted. And for 27 bucks, like I've said, you can't go wrong. It's $27. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Like I said, it's just a really short video showing you guys the light bar. I was just impressed by the light bar. It was $27. I wasn't expecting much, but I figured it was worth a shot. And honestly, it's not bad at all. I think it also has a 5-year warranty, which is insane for $27. So really highly recommend it, especially for somebody that doesn't want to spend the crazy amount of money for a Rigid. Now, if you want to, get the Rigid and you want to go off-roading at night, like constantly, go get you a Rigid or go get you a Cree or, something like that. But for basic people like me that want to go off-roading here and there, but mainly during the day, and then just kind of want it for night, it's $27.